assignment. Luke Waddell is going to lead off for the Emperors, now trailing 2-0, entering the bottom of the first inning. He'll take a first pitch strike out of Taiwan. 0-1 pitch, top of the zone, but a called strike. 0-2 pitch, inside. That'll force Waddell to kind of hop out of the way. Well, the batter's box and the mound are going to be key areas to watch tonight. See how muddy they get. Fourth pitch of the at-bat, the 1-2. And Omar Alfonso is ready to tie. 2-2. Fouled away. We'll probably see him in the lineup tomorrow. 2-2 inside, full count. Home bat with a red handle and tan barrel. He'll swing and foul one. Payoff coming from Chang. Swing and a miss. Tied him up with a fastball in the order, which for the majority of the season has been Espinosa and Clohissy and Demetriou. This one's grounded back over the mound. And the second baseman Delgado will field. And 2-0 our score. Chang trying to work a scoreless home half of the first. Right on left. Pitch. And Clohissy will part of a 2-run eighth inning to reclaim the lead late. Inside. The pitch home. Back to the mound. It's snared out there by Chang. He'll run and flip. And that's the bottom of the first inning, everybody. No runs, no hits, no errors, and nobody left on for the Emperors. They try the Emperors not making these official scorers' lives easy down to our right. Sitting down there. Chang now 15 pitches deep. And he'll even the to 93-94. The pitch. Fouled back to the screen. 1-2. And Verdung fouls it away. And Chang's 1-2. Out of the zone. 2 balls, 2 strikes. Pitch home. Fouled away. 2-2. And the pitch. Driven into right field. Verdung's got a base knock. Here to open up the second inning. You can rebuild innings and ask yourself, well, would this have happened if X, Y, and Z? The Imps in the hit column after the opposite field single. And there's another, this time up the left field line. And Verdung wants third base. Janis is going to be into second, and the Emperors have 2 minutes scoring position. Pitch home. Sit in the air to shallow center. Caught out there by Polanco. Both runners will stay put, and Polanco throws a ground ball pretty much back to Alfonso. Pitch home. Off the plate. 1-0 pitch. Up the line. It hits the bag, and it'll get into shallow left field. Verdung is home. Janis is home. And Matt Gassetti's got 8 driven in since the call-up. In the bottom of the second inning, Horn's going to take low. His second and high A this year. 1-0 on the ground out to second base. Delgado will scoop and throw over to Gorson. A big 2-out hit right here to cut the lead to 2. Called strike. A 1 pitch from Chang. Called strike on.
Yeah, as soon as I'll read it.
0-2. Low and away. Here's pitch number 31 from Chang. It is fouled off the front foot. And Osasco University. 1-2. Off the plate. 2 balls, 2 strikes. Chang's delivery. Fouled away. Well, I tell you what, with now he kicks and deals. You could almost take home. 3 balls, 2 strikes. Fouled away. Top of the order in the wings. Inside, that's a fantastic at-bat for Joe Osofsky. Corners. And the pitch. Swing and Waddell deep down the line in right field. Just foul. Well, there's a stripe going. It's just a long strike. And now Waddell will foul one off 3 hours. 0-2 pitch. Out of the zone. Good eye from Waddell. In Salem. Pitch number 40 for Chang. In the air to center field. Back on it. Polanco. He's got it sized up. And he fields and squeezes it for out number 3. Here in the bottom of the 3rd inning against Chang. And Chang will miss low. Pulled up an article on Chang with 2022. 1-0 pitch. Espinosa will take again. 1-1. In the air to deep center. Back on it, Polanco. To the warning track. See ya. There's the first for Espinosa here at home. We knew it was going to come eventually. Hit 103 off the bat. Caught every stitch of it. 403 feet out to left center field. And that's a part of the park that seldom sees a ball get out. That would have been really something, wouldn't it? Now Clohissy is going to rope one into the corner. He can flat out fly, everybody, but he's only going to get a double out of this one. 300. The pitch home. Off the plate. Back to that Taipei Times article, and turned out for the semi-professional Taiwan Power baseball team. 0-2 pitch to Verdung. He'll take ball 1. That's from the Taipei Times. Inside, Verdung almost of the season. 2-2 on the ground. Clohissy will stay at second. Griffin up with it, and about a knee-high throw over to Gorson for out. Pitch number 50 for Chang. Low and in. Pitch on the ground at first base. Fielding low, Gorson. Moving up 90 feet is Clohissy, but that's seeing just one base runner in this inning. It's Clohissy. Swing and a miss. 0-1 pitch. Off the plate. Stands and into the concourse when the rain came. Good to see all of them back out. 2-1 pitch. Swing and a miss. The 2-2. Fouled back. Makes a few fans jump back of his emerald green and black cap. Here's the 2-2. Great take. Chang. Clohissy off third base, representing the 4th run of the game. That's off the play. That's a fantastic AB right there, and a mature walk drawn by Ambioris Tavares. Got the possibility to be the highest scoring game of the series. Grounded to third. Harrison up with it, and a sidearm flick over to Gorson will strand 2 more for the Emperors here in 100 calories, 2 grams of sugar, and 0 bubbles. Surfside isn't just here to chill. Break out their paddle in this game. At one point, trailing 5-0. They have scored 9-1 here in the 4th. Swing and a miss. Play from Panama City Beach. 1-2 pitch. Up and in. For the 4th inning, it's Bryson Horn. Pitch home. It's off the plate. Back. Espinosa's homer. Janis's double. Clohissy's double. And there's a walk. And you can add on Gassetti's double, but that was really pitch. Off the plate, ball 1. 1-0 pitch. Through the left side, a base knock for Joe. Hitting again. Pitch. Off the plate, ball 1 to Luke Waddell. Actually been in the big leagues. Waddell pops this one up. This 1-1. Called. Pitch number 71. Off the plate, 2-2. Is up for Greensboro. They're trying to get to Chang before he leaves this game. The pitch. A lazy fly ball into left field. And Torrero has got it. And both runners will stay in here this evening. Popped up. Foul ground. Right side. Get into the seats. It will. It was a great time. 0-1 pitch. In the air to right center field. Down. Horns around third. Joe O not far behind. The throw late. And Espinosa into third. Overshoots. Another one hit 100 plus off the bat for Lisandro.